Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to talk about how to factory reset a Mitel EX controller. Why is it necessary for us to reset a Mitel EX controller? Maybe number one, we need to reinstall my voice business software. For different reasons, maybe probably the EX controller crashed the software, or we lost configuration, we lost data, or we are trying to upgrade and then we are failing to upgrade, but we might want to reinstall an upgraded version. So we may find ourselves in different situations where we might need to reinstall software on the EX controller. So the EX controller has a reset pinhole. It is a reset pinhole where we are going to insert a pin. We are going to insert a pin into this pinhole, and then we are going to hold the pin while it is pressed. Press and hold for 12 seconds. So when you are doing this, the LEDs are they will start off being off, and then they'll transition into flashing. Then at 12 seconds, they will become steady lit, all of them. And at this point, we release the pin. Then, once you release the pin, the controller is going to factory reset, and after a while, it's going to reboot. So let us do that procedure. So to help me in demonstrating, I've got a video here. So this is the reset button, and I've got a pin. I've got this pin which I'm going to use to press here. This is a pin. It's a needle that I'm going to press into the reset wall there. Then I'm going to hold, and these are the LEDs, LED, another LED, another LED. So these LEDs are on the Ethernet ports, or what we can call LAN ports. So these LEDs, they'll start off being off. As you can see, they're off. They will transition into flashing, and then they are going to be steady lit, at which point I am then going to withdraw. I'm going to withdraw my pin, and at the same time I am going to place a timer. I am going to place a timer in seconds for comparison. So I'll bring up a timer. So this is the timer. We want the timer to go up to 12 seconds here. So we shall be looking at this part. So So I'm going to start playing the video. Okay, I'll start the timer. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. At 12 it becomes steady, so the timer is aligned now, it's synchronized. So that is what we do. So thank you for watching and goodbye.